In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use OpenDNS here on Microsoft Edge. Before we dive in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, get on Microsoft Edge and click the three dots up in the top right corner, and from here you're going to see a drop down appear. Go ahead and select Settings from this option, and on the left sidebar, find Privacy, Search, and Services. Open that up, and you're going to see a Security tab from within here. Select that. Now, first things first, make sure Use Secure DNS is actually ticked on, otherwise this is not going to work. And from here, you're going to see an option that says Choose a Service Provider. Select that, and then select Enter Custom Provider, and you're going to see a drop down, or technically a drop up since it does appear, actually pop up right here. Pick OpenDNS. After you select OpenDNS, it's going to put in that option right here. Go ahead and close out of Microsoft Edge and reopen it. And OpenDNS is now going to be active here on Microsoft Edge. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.